Qingdao Iflow Co. Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer of valves. With a profound understanding of customer requirement, we set up our mission, good valve with caring service. We fulfill our mission by within 24 hours sales, after-sales feedback, integrity, profession and responsibility. Iflow owns its research and development team, and is managed strictly under ISO 9001 quality control system. Qingdao Iflow have supplied to international clients for 10 years and are selling to more than 50 countries worldwide.
United Kingdom, UAE, Australia, Brazil, Mexico, and widely used in projects such as Milan Expo, Fiat Workshop, Shangri-La Hotel, Kerry Center, Petrobras, GE Workshop. Service, quality is our core competitiveness. To create value to customers is our greatest wealth. What can we do for you? How can we do better? We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.